Hello everyone, welcome back to another video about easy and free ways to make money online. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make $100 every minute on autopilot just for clicks you get on your post link. Don't worry, you don't need any social media account to do this. It's 100% free and easy to use, and it works worldwide. Please take note, the results of this video are not typical. You may earn more and you may earn less. I will show you the step-by-step method, and this tutorial is divided into 3 steps. And this is MONEYDOOR YouTube channel, where I teach you easy and free ways to make money online. Please like this video and don't forget to click on the red subscriber button. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Now let's start. The first website I will be showing you is not the main website to earn. If you stick to the end of the video, I will show you the website that you will use together with this first website, so you can earn more money. And try not to skip any part of this video so you will understand everything I'm about to show you. This is the first website we will be talking about, and this is the main website that will be paying us per clicks. But the last website will let you earn more clicks. If you scroll down, you will see all the payment methods. As you can see, they pay via PayPal, Skrill, Payza, and Pioneer. The next website we are going to use together with our previous website is called MONEYDOOR. This is not the last website, so stay tuned for the last website. When you get to MONEYDOOR, you will just need to create an account with just your Instagram account. Once you log in, click on go to your profile. Once you are on your profile, you can just change your profile according to what your link is about. I will be talking about weight loss, so I will use the type of image. So to add our link, we will just go to Google and search for something related to weight loss. You can search for anything related to your niche. After that, I will just copy this URL link to this post, and I will head back to the first website called al.ly. As we can see, the website have paid its user $36,000, and these are all the payments made by this website. Just go to the home page, sign up for a free account. After creating an account, just paste the link and click on shorten. Then click on I'm not a Robux. The URL will be shortened. Stay tuned because I will show you the best site to share the link for more clicks. Just copy the shorten link. Not all the websites will allow the shorten link, so this is where we will be using MONEYDOOR. MONEYDOOR will allow you to post your link on any website. Just click on add link and paste your link. The title must say the same thing as it is written in Google. Just copy the title and paste it here. Then click create. This is how it will look. You can add as many links as possible on your MONEYDOOR profile. Then you will just need to copy your profile URL, and if someone go to it, this is how it will look. And when people click on the link, you will make money. You can add lot of links to it, and also remember to add description telling people to click on any of the links for free guide about whatever your links are about, and tell them to skip the ads, then update your profile to get more clicks on your link. We will be using this external website. Remember to copy your MONEYDOOR profile link and come over to facebook.com. You will just search for any group related to your niche. Join those groups and post your MONEYDOOR links. And you can even comment it. As you can see, all the comments have links in them. Remember to tell them it's free, so a lot of people can click on it. So don't worry, you will not get banned from Facebook because you are not promoting any affiliate link. And this is the great way that you can make more money online. This is the end of the video. I hope you learned something from this video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more easy and free ways to make money online. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.